Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make spicy jerk sauce. You'll need about 4 to 6 Scotch bonnet peppers for that fiery kick, along with a generous 2 tablespoons of ground allspice, which is absolutely essential. Don't forget fresh aromatics like a 2-inch piece of ginger and 4 cloves of garlic. These foundational elements are key to building a rich, complex flavor profile that truly stands out. Now let's get those ingredients ready for blending. First, roughly chop your Scotch bonnets, ginger, garlic, and green onions. Remember, for a milder sauce, you can remove some of the seeds from the peppers. Place all your chopped ingredients into a food processor or blender. Add about 1/4 cup of soy sauce and 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar to help create a smooth, consistent paste. Once blended, your jerk sauce should have a thick, vibrant consistency. It's important to taste and adjust the seasoning. You might want to add a pinch more salt or a teaspoon of brown sugar to balance the flavors. For best results, marinate your chosen protein like chicken or pork for a minimum of 4 hours. For truly deep flavor, let it marinate overnight, using about 1/2 cup of sauce for every pound of meat. When it comes to cooking, grilling or smoking your jerk marinated food will give you the most authentic flavor. However, baking or pan frying also work wonderfully. To store any unused sauce, simply transfer it to an airtight container. It will keep fresh in the refrigerator for up to 2 weeks, allowing you to enjoy that incredible spicy jerk flavor whenever you like.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.